Hello guys, if you guys thinking about buying the Parrot Anafi and also the Autel Robotics Evo, if I were you guys thinking about buying it, or you're selling your drone or thinking about buying a new drone, I would just go ahead and wait, because apparently right now there's a lot of competition and DJI is going to come up with another one, so prices might drop. So just letting you guys know. So now they're selling the Parrot Anafi for $699 and also the Autel Robotics Evo for $1,000. So just wait for the DJI announcement. Next thing we know, these drones might drop to like $500 or to $700 drones. So just wait. I know there's a lot of stuff right now online or in YouTube is big right now with drones, and this is a good thing. And like I just said, just wait until all this hype goes away. Well, what I'm saying is because apparently DJI, we don't know exactly what everybody's saying is the Mavic 2, and the only thing it says right now is, you know, see the bigger picture. So if I were you guys, just wait. For me, as having experience, I'd rather just wait either. I learned my lessons. This just reminded me when the GoPro Karma just announced, and also the DJI Mavic Pro the week before, after that, I'm sorry, they actually announced it also. And I actually purchased 2 drones. And the reason why I got 2 drones, because I sold my Phantom 4 for the Mavic Pro, because I want more portable, smaller, compact, and much easier to carry it around. For what stuff that I have to do is easier for me. And also for the GoPro Karma, the reason why I got the GoPro Karma, because the Hero 5 just came out that time, and also I know that there is no obstacle avoidance on the drone, there is no sensors. For me, the reason why I got it, because the hand gimbal, it comes with a backpack, everything that you can think of, for 1,000, I think it was 1,100. It's been a while now. But anyway, just letting you guys know, in that moment, man, everything was a hype. And first of all, this is what happened to me. So as soon as I got my GoPro Karma, I still have the Mavic Pro in pre-order. And so when I got my Karma, I had it for like a week or 2 weeks. I'm not too sure, I forgot it now. But anyway, make story short, as soon as I got it for a week, I went, me and my girlfriend and her dad, and I think it was his birthday, and we just went somewhere, and we decided to go ahead, and I actually brought the drone with me and GoPro Karma, and I'm trying to go ahead and take up videos and, you know, just do the whole family thing going. But the problem is my my GoPro Karma brick, it means like it didn't even work. So I'm just like, holy crap, how come, what's wrong with my drone? How come it's not turning on? It's like, it's a bunch of issue. I'm trying to call the customer service for GoPro, and they told me, oh, just letting you guys know, yeah, you know, we have this situation that batteries are, while mid-flight, they're coming off and they're falling off like bricks, I guess, you know. And from that point on, I'm like, okay. So I also purchased the Mavic Pro, and be honest with you, I got no more drone, because I actually sold my Phantom 4 to get the Mavic Pro, and I have no more drone, and I have this GoPro Karma in my car, not working. I think this is around like 4 o'clock at noon, summertime, and I'm just very upset. And I said to myself, what the heck is going on, man? And so just letting you guys know, I know it's a hype right now, but anyways, just letting you guys know, if the Anafi do come out, it is probably out already. It's really, you cannot really compare it with Mavic Air. The reason why I'm saying that, because when I have my Mavic Air, you guys can see my video. I'm actually have that. It's so new that a lot of stuff is just hard to do. Like the active track is not acting right. It needs more updates, and even me having the Mavic Air for the first time, I'm just like getting headache already, because they add 3 features to the active track. The first feature was spotlight, the other one was trace, and I think the other one was I can't even think right now. Well, anyway, make story short again, it was just so new because I'm so used to the Mavic Pros and the DJI Spark. And like I said, guys, they all are cool drones. Autel Robotics, I'm not really happy with it either, because apparently when they first announced it, it was very confusing. People thought it was 1-inch sensor. They were saying, oh, it's only like it was another version. So from that point on, we all confused either. So finally they're coming out with it. So but I'm not also happy with that, because it takes about all the way this month now to actually being released, and I've been waiting for this since January or February. And also the app that they're using is beta, so if you do pre-order it, who knows what the app's gonna do, you know. Like I said, just wait for it. I think the price is gonna drop. You know, DJI is gonna come out with another drone. He might come up with 45 minutes flight time with all-around sensors, with 4K 60 with 1-inch sensor. You never know, you know. So if I were you guys, just it's around there in the corner, and DJI has to also have to drop down the price, you know, because there's competitive going on right now. And for all those 3 manufacturers company, you know, can't be stocking drones in warehouses, you know. Everything costs money. So yeah, like I said, I think prices is gonna drop. I'm pretty sure on that. So just wait. And anyway, with the Parrot, Anafi, anyways, with that drone, everything spec is good also, but there's one thing that I'm not really happy about. There's no obstacle avoidance. To me, anything for $600, even a $300 drone. What I'm saying, guys, is a $300 drone at least have obstacle avoidance. You guys can see from the DJI Spark, that drone has obstacle avoidance. And I don't know. I mean, there's a bottom position sensing. I don't know why. I don't know what's the reason why they did not put obstacle avoidance. I mean, like I said, that's a good thing that this is for my, you know, opinion. So just, you know, I know I'm also gonna check it out. So if I do get it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. But I'm just gonna let you guys see what this drone can do, what this Parrot Anafi can do, because I will put this drone to the extreme. I'm talking about exhaust moments. Drones that, I don't know, I guess called nightmares. And also the Autel Robotics. But anyway, like I said, I mean, all the specs on this Parrot Anafi is pretty good. So you know, I was happy with it, man. And the only thing is missing is that feature. I mean, I don't know. Anyway, just, you know, tell me guys in the comments also, and I just want to know what's going on. You know, how is it now? Because there's a big hype going on with Parrot Anafi, and also with the Autel Robotics Evo, and the drones got all the specs that on there, and the drone seems good also. But there's another thing too. I don't know why they did not come out with I don't even know why they did not come out with the 1-inch sensor 4K 60. There's two version. I think the one they're selling it right now, they should sell that for like $699 or $799, and the 1-inch sensor sell for $1,000. But right now with DJI, I mean, if they come out with the Mavic Part 2 version, you know, who knows what's gonna be. But we all know, the, you know, for they probably got like 5 or 6 drone right now on lineup, or the Phantom 5 might be coming out. Um, just want to know what you guys thoughts of these drones right now. And I know there's really big hypes, but like I said, just wait. I mean, even me right now, I'm waiting for it because I don't want to go ahead and jump and start, pressing and ordering stuff, and I already know the app is not gonna be as wow anyway. It's still new. Um, you still need to work on it, I guess. And also with the Mavic Pro 2, they're still gonna have more work on that. I mean, it's still gonna need firmware update. It's the way it is. All drone needs to do that. I think that's all they all come. But anyways, yeah. With the Autel robotics, I'm not saying throne DJI. If I were them, they should sell for 500. If they sell the Evo for $500 right now, I mean, it's gonna be a whole game changing. But anyway, with the Parrot Anafi drone, it's still good. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and check it out, see what this guy can do, and also with the Evo, I'm gonna go ahead and check it out what this guy can do, and I'm definitely gonna put an extreme, extreme win. And that's about it, guys. Even me here, this is in St. Augustine where I'm at. This place is beautiful. If you guys never been to Florida or Jacksonville, this is about an hour away from Jacksonville. It's basically down south, but this place is awesome people around the world here. Beautiful place. You guys can come and check this place out. Most likely when I do drones over here, I'm always see where I'm at. I'm always on the ocean. Something happened, like right now I want to go to that port, but I don't want to go there because there's a lot of people there. I might have my family members there. There's people out there, taking pictures right now, having fun, and I would like to absorb. It'd be nice for the Parrot Anafi here. I can just zoom in and check that place out. But like I said, safety is first. This is my hometown. I have respect for my county. Like also over here, guys, the reason why I'm saying obstacle avoidance is must, because by the way, we're gonna have the 4th of July, and this place is packed. I mean, I remember last year I want to do I want to go ahead and take drone footage with the fireworks. I couldn't even do it because even though I got my Mavic Pro, the reason why I don't want to do it because, man, they have the Inspire one, they have the they have all drones here. You're talking about maybe 30 drones in the same area, up and down and behind you, and they just trying to go ahead and get a drone footage out of this fireworks. And also what I'm saying is obstacle avoidance is a must, because I mean, I know you're not gonna run on things, but what happened a drone run into you or behind you? At least there's a drone behind you. Or something's coming behind you, That's all. That's about it. So yeah, I'm very excited also. Hopefully the prices goes down. This is good for all of us, Right now, $1,000 is a lot of money, especially with drones, and also with the reason why I said, you should go ahead and just wait for it, because you never know, you might start coming up with combos or fly mores and stuff like that, and they start adding on stuff to to trying to get for just to get all of us, get to this hobby. But anyway, like I said, I just can't wait for all of them to come out either, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for it. Just let me know in the comments what you guys think about this drones, and what you like about it, what you like about the Anafi, Parrot, what you like about the Evo, what are you thinking about waiting for the Mavic Pro 2. It's gonna be fun, we all gonna be enjoying this technology, and I'm just gonna go ahead and also wait for it, because I already know the app is not gonna be as wow. If you guys did not see my videos, I got videos when I just got my Mavic Air that I'm having issues doing active track. It was the worst ever, be honest with you, because I couldn't even believe it either. I mean, I got the perfect Mavic Pro doing active tracking, following me on extreme wind. You're talking about Hurricane, Irma, and also the DJI Spark. Two drones actually did an active track. I used both of them, and they both successful, did the job right. And now I have this Mavic Air, and I was putting in the I was just gonna see what this guy can do also, but they add so many new features to it that it's just like a whole new ball game. So yeah, it's pretty crazy, but like I said, rushing is also sometimes, you just gotta go ahead and wait. For me, I learned my lessons with drones. That's the reason why, if you guys hold on for a minute, or just wait for a month, all just drone come out. I'm gonna do some videos. I'm also gonna do some reviews on them. I'm doing extreme reviews, guys. I'm not talking about just flying it long range. I'm not talking about just how this drone can. I'm gonna put it in exhaust moment. I'm gonna put that Evo drone in exhaust moments. If you guys seen my videos, I mean, I pretty much do what I can with them, so make sure you make your money worth it. But like I said, even me, I just go ahead and wait on it for a little bit, just to see it out, check it all out. What else do we have? You never know. Maybe oh yeah, I just want to know what's wrong with Unique Unique drone. I don't know reason why they're not coming up with the Breeze. I think they should come up with another Breeze, like a small compact. They were actually the first little drone that actually came out that year, and before the Mavic Pro, and also before the GoPro Karma. They were already compact and portable already that time, the Breeze. But I don't know what their intention are on those hexacopter. They're talking about what happened if one of the motor fails. Okay, I understand if the motor fails, but what happened if the battery goes fail? What's the drone gonna do? Man, that's gonna be like a dropping. Never mind. It's like falling 4 bricks in one time. I guess you can say that. But I'm just saying, man. I mean, it's a good idea, though. I mean, think about it. Unique. What's it called? Plus. But I mean, it's nice, but it's just come up with a big controllers too, man. It's like, God, they should make it smaller. Yeah, but it's crazy how they design it that way and using it for everyday use. Like I said, Unique should just come up with another second version of Breeze, but this time it's portable, and also portable also comes with the obstacle avoidance. They're pretty good at that. But anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and that's about it. So thanks again.